what I'm showing you right here is our neutralization experiment. As you can see, I labeled the test tube 0.1 and 1, and in it we have already 1 milliliter of hydrochloric acid. So the next step that you were supposed to do was to take some universal indicator and put about 1 drop each. Okay, so there's 1 and 1. So as you can see, okay, pick it up and gently shake it. Okay, and you will see that it changed into a bright pink, which indicates that we have hydrochloric acid and it is a pH 1. And we are going to figure out if the concentration of a substance affects the rate of neutralization. So what we are using, we're using two concentrations of sodium hydroxide. So we have 0.1 mole and 1 mole. Okay, so we talked about our class hypothesis, and you guys figured out that the rate of neutralization will be different. Okay, and the substance, or the 1 mole sodium hydroxide, will neutralize the hydrochloric acid, the 0.1 mole hydrochloric acid, faster, because the 1 mole sodium hydroxide is more concentrated than the 0.1 mole sodium hydroxide. So let's do an experiment to prove or see if our hypothesis is correct. Okay, so we have here the two 1 milliliter test tubes of 0.1 hydrochloric acid, and what we're going to do here is one test tube, I'm going to count the number of drops of 0.1 sodium hydroxide, how many drops of that it will take to neutralize this, and how many drops of the 1 mole sodium hydroxide it will take to neutralize this hydrochloric acid. Okay, now how will I know when to stop counting? When it becomes neutral. And how will I know when it becomes neutral? Okay, when the color turns green, when the indicator turns green. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to get some of the 0.1 molar. Okay. Okay. 1 drop. Okay. So I need to shake it, nothing happened. Okay. 2 drops, gently shake, nothing happened. 3 drops. Okay. 18. Oh, look at that. You can see it became slightly acidic already. You can see by the color change. So should I still add more? Of course, because we're looking for change. Okay, 18, 19. Okay, there you go. 20. We have a bright green neutralized substance. Okay, now that is for 0.1. It took 20 drops of the 0.1. What about, okay, the 1 molar? So let's try now the 1 molar. Okay, so 1 drop. Okay, at 2 drops, it became a little bit alkaline already. Okay, so if you compare the 0.1, it's really neutral, but this one, the 1 mole, it became, okay, slightly alkaline already. Okay, so is there a difference in rate? Yes. What the difference is? You tell me. Okay, bye.